Alright, YouTube. Time to blow your mind. Pretty new at this shit. And let's face it, I'm pretty uncomfortable recording. I'm the only fucking one here. I know you'll all be there too, but quick background. I'm no doctor. I celebrate Christmas. I have a little ass TV. Basic dude. I've been looking online, and you know, one thing that always bothered me real bad was the hiccups, and nobody's figured this shit out yet. I mean, it's really gonna take my average genius to save the world and rid the world of these awful fucking things. I'm gonna do it because, I mean, I don't love all of you yet, but I'm sure we're gonna get to know each other real well. So you know what to do better than I do when it comes to the subscribe or the thumbs up or, you know, whatever shit that people do to make it big. What I'm about to tell you is going to be bigger than any baby shark do. Okay, I'm gonna cure the hiccups for you, for your whole life, and for everybody in your life. So subscribe to this shit, thumbs up, whatever you gotta do. I'm gonna give you a minute. Go ahead. You ready? Okay, so what I got for everybody, I've written up this little board. I'm trying to keep it simple and short, but I gotta gain my credibility somewhere. This is what I've been able to find out. Mayo Clinic, whatever, WebMD. I'm not a big internet person. These are their statements. Hiccups are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm via Mayo Clinic. The physical irritation that takes place in the nerve that connects the brain to the diaphragm via WebMD. I mean, this is just me looking shit up. Harvard University, word for word, says why the brain sends this signal that causes hiccups is a mystery. A mystery. It's not a mystery to me. You guys ready? I'm gonna show you this shit, so be ready. It's gonna blow your fucking mind. I live in Blackwood, Idaho, okay? Small town genius type shit. Make me big. I'll share more. I got more. Way more. This is little. I just gotta get out there somehow. It's jitters, new shit, you know, whatever. The suggestions that I could find for getting rid of, alleviating the hiccups, hold my breath. Which, unless I'm trying to survive underwater, not real healthy or a good idea in any situation. Drink water backwards, sideways, upside down, pat on your head. Pass on that too. There's enough water in our bodies. We don't need to be forcefully pushing it down our throats to try and stop something involuntary, guys. Okay? Tablespoon of sugar. Aren't we all fucking big enough as it is? Let's cut the excuse to have a fucking tablespoon of sugar in our diet. It's not a tablespoon of sugar, alright? Here's what it is, you ready? Look at me right now. Hiccups, right? Your hiccup. Tell me out loud when the next time you're gonna hiccup is. Vocalize it. Like I'm sitting right there by you. Think about it hard. Because I have to know right before it happens. Which means you have to know before then. There you go. Seems fucking crazy, right? You are now cured for life. Everybody you ever show this video to, subscribe, thumbs up. Life cured, hiccups done for the whole world. Show me some love, people. I'm not a greedy guy, but I deserve some sort of recognition for this shit. Okay? I just cured the entire world of the fucking most miserable, involuntary spasm that our bodies can give us over and over and never again. Share that shit. There's more if you guys like it. Bring it.